Hi friends, I am Nithishkumar. Today we are going to discuss about a very most important subject, which is building Internet of Things. So before moving into the Internet of mm, hi friends, good morning. I am Nithishkumar. Today we are going to discuss about a very most subject, which is building Internet of Things. So before we moving into a topic security model, let's see a small intro of history of IoT. The term Internet of Things was coined in 1999 by the computer scientist Kevin Austin. While working at Procter and Gamble, Ashton proposed putting radio frequency identification chips on product to track them through a supply chain. So before moving into a topic, let's discuss about what is IoT. The IoT is nothing but the physical object, which means things that are embedded with a sensor, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. So let's move into the IoT security model. So what is IoT security model? IoT device is manufactured for a unique purpose within the cyberspace domain. However, these devices are same in sense and they collect a vast amount of data, process it and save it, and in some cases share it with the other IoT devices or systems. So this is the IoT security model architecture. Security from things to network to cloud, and the security layer spans the entire stacks. So the most important part of IoT security model is security privacy. The following aspects are addressed by the IoT security model. They are IoT privacy. So what is IoT privacy? Which means it is a special consideration required to protect the informations of individual from exposure in the IoT environment, in which almost any physical or logical entity or object can autonomously over the can autonomously unique identifier and ability to communicate over the internet or similar networks. So in IoT privacy, we have a personal data protection. So what is personal data protection? It is collected by the IoT device, and in some instance the user is not even aware of this. Personal data should be protected during data transmission and in storage by encrypting the data using generally accepted security standard with regard to encryption. So let's discuss about the what is IoT security. So malicious actors manipulating the flow of information to and from network connected device or tampering with the device themselves. The IoT security is important because we are constantly exposed to cyber attacks, vulnerabilities, data theft, and other risks arising from the usage of IoT device make the need for IoT security solutions even more. So here I have explained the few IoT security risks. They are lack of visibility, overwhelming data volume, unpatched vulnerabilities, and the vulnerabilities API. So let's discuss about the what are the ways to improve our IoT security. So change default password, make sure the software is protected, defend against IoT identity spoofing, use encrypted protocols. So these are the some of the security to make the IoT more secure. So let's discuss about the IoT governance. It has been referred to as the development and the application by government, the private sector and civil society in their respective roles of shared principle, norms, rules, decision making procedures and programs that shape the evaluation and the use of the internet. So let's discuss about the mainly IoT governance is used for data integrity and the data security. So what is data integrity? It means maintaining and assuring accuracy and completeness of data. However, during the wireless transmission in IoT application, messages can be erroneous due to many reasons. Example, distortion or the addition of noise. So data security. IoT data security is the practice that keeps your IoT systems safe. We have discussed earlier what is the security model. So IoT security tools protect from threat and breaches. identify and monitor risk, and can help fix vulnerabilities. Conclusion: the Internet of Things promises a convenient communication at any time, anywhere, and unlimited access to information. The IoT have gained a lot of attention because of their affordability, capability, and convenience offered. So, thank you. Today, the topic we have discussed is very most important. Thank you.